What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So once again, this is going to be another iPhone 12 related video. I feel like there's new information coming out about the iPhone 12 like literally every single day, and today we got some more info. So today's video is going to be centered around the 12 Pro Max, the most expensive, the most extravagant iPhone 12 that you can get your hands on, hopefully in the next month or so. So normally the Max model basically just meant like bigger display and better battery life. And according to Mac Rumors, which you guys know I absolutely love Mac Rumors for any Apple related rumors just because they're normally very accurate. So this report is saying that the 12 Pro Max might have a couple things that the other phones won't have, including the 12 Pro, which is like the mini version of the Pro Max. So in the article here, it says that the 12 Pro Max may have a Lidar Scanner, which is going to be pretty cool for AR stuff. Now, of course, we don't have a ton of AR content out right now, but I would say in the next few months or year, we probably will. So having that LiDAR scanner could prep you for future content, which I think is pretty cool. Faster 5G. Now, what I've been reading is in order to get faster 5G, the components that actually go in the phone have to be bigger. So with a Pro Max model, you have a bigger phone, you can put the bigger components in and make that 5G connectivity even faster compared to the other phones. So I think this could be something really, really cool. Now, of course, 5G is right at the beginning of its life. 5G is really not a huge deal right now just because it's in such early days. But other than that, it also looks like there's going to potentially be a higher refresh rate. Now, we've seen tons of rumors basically saying that the 12 Pro models would have 120 Hertz, but it looks like it might be exclusive to the Pro Max. I would say the majority of people won't really notice that difference unless you are super into tech or someone actually like told you that information. But once you do try 120 Hertz, it's pretty tough to go back to 60. Like for example, my iPad Pro right here, this is the 2020 version. It's got 120 Hertz, but then when I go back on my iPhone XR, I can definitely tell a difference. But these are the things that look like it's going to be exclusive to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Small things, but I do think they are going to have a big impact because even me personally, obviously I'm super into tech. I have a tech-based channel. A LiDAR scanner is cool to have. It's not really a deal breaker for me because I don't really use a lot of AR stuff. Faster 5G I think could be something good because in the next few months or even like a year or so, 5G will be more developed and you might have access to that actual 5G network that will actually make a difference in the phone experience. The refresh rate is definitely a big one for myself because of having an iPad Pro. I just love having that buttery smooth ProMotion on the display. Other than that, the only other reason to really get a 12 Pro Max is just because you want a bigger phone and more battery life. What do you guys think about these potential rumors of exclusive components for the iPhone 12 Pro Max? I think it definitely makes sense in a marketing sense because if you have a 12 Pro and a 12 Pro Max and the only difference really is just screen size and battery, it's a little bit tough to justify the big price difference. So I think if they add a couple more differentiating factors and make the 12 Pro Max, you know, like the most grand iPhone you can get, I think they can also put the price up and they'll sell more, and it's just good from a marketing standpoint. From a consumer standpoint, obviously that means more money out of our pockets to get our hands on the best technology out there. Essentially what the 12 Pro Max would be with all of the specs that I mentioned from this article is just a smaller version of the 2020 iPad Pro, which personally I'm not complaining because I love this iPad. And if I had a phone that had pretty much everything that this thing has, I would not be complaining at all. This thing is a beast. And I'm hoping they actually do this because having a phone with the specs of this iPad would be awesome. And I'm super excited to get that phone hopefully in the next month or so. I'll be unboxing it and everything on the channel. But that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below of what you guys think about these exclusive features that are rumored to be on the 12 Pro Max. Also, which iPhone 12 are you going to pick up if you are going to upgrade your phone this year? But that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.